Do you dream of having a flourishing container garden of your own? Today, we're embarking on a botanical journey, unveiling 7 techniques to help your potted plants thrive. From container selection to pruning, we've got you covered. Get ready to become a green thumb with these 7 techniques. The first step towards a successful container garden is choosing the right containers. The size, material, and drainage capabilities of your container can make or break your garden's growth, so choose wisely. Remember, the right container is the foundation of your garden. The second step is all about the soil. Quality soil isn't just dirt. It's a thriving ecosystem that provides essential nutrients for your plants. Choosing the right soil can make a world of difference in your plant's growth. Good soil is the key to healthy and vibrant plants. Our third technique involves picking the right plants. It's crucial to consider factors like sunlight exposure, available space, and your local climate. Choose plants that will flourish under these conditions. Remember, the right plant in the right place will thrive. Watering is the fourth technique. The lifeblood of your container garden, water is essential. But be mindful, every plant has unique needs. Some thirst more, others less. Just remember, too much or too little water can harm your plants. Sunlight, our fifth technique, is vital to your garden's success. It powers photosynthesis, the process that fuels plant growth. Without enough light, your plants may struggle. So, let's let the sun shine in. Ensure your plants get enough sunlight to grow and bloom. Our sixth technique is about feeding your plants. Regular fertilizing is crucial to continuously replenish the nutrients that plants consume from the soil. It's like giving your plants a balanced diet, ensuring they grow robustly. Feed your plants regularly for optimum growth. Last but not least, our seventh technique, regular pruning. This essential practice maintains plant health by removing dead or diseased parts. It also shapes your plants, enhancing their aesthetic appeal. Regular pruning keeps your plants healthy and attractive. And those were your 7 techniques for a thriving container garden. From selecting the right container and quality soil, to choosing suitable plants, watering properly, ensuring sunlight, fertilizing, and pruning regularly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.